I complicated our lives by falling in love with him. I complicated our lives, now I'm losing my only friend. Like a knife when you walked out of my life. Now I'm in this condition and I've got all the symptoms of a girl with a broken heart. But no matter what, you'll never see me cry.
I tried to warn you, you play with fire, it's gonna burn you. And here we are now, same situation, you never